Have fun. Play with your hair.
Maybe not like that.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm just feeling yourself. Okay, names. What's your guys' names?
I'm Karina. I'm Frankie.
Karina and Frankie. Where did you guys meet?
We actually
At work, yeah.
Yeah. We work at Dirty Birds in college area. Yeah. She bartends, I'm a server.
And she manages.
And I manage sometimes as well.
Wings that anybody should recommend to go there?
I'm stuck on the General Bird right now. And the Bruce Lee.
What about them souls?
Soul is a good one! Yeah, we like Soul, Flaming Honey Mustard, Dirty Ranch.
Oh, that dirty.
Yeah, I can't go wrong with Mango Habanero. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of spicy.
What's your favorite Starbucks drinks? Any favorite Starbucks? Any go-tos?
My roommate has this like strawberry tango passion fruit lemonade tea that's pretty cool. To go to yoga bar.
How does it do that?
Do like super hard sculpt yogas.
That's how we got these abs right here.
Oh, she got a six-pack. That's crazy.
She does.
Yeah.
Mine's loading a little bit.
Ooh, like to gun out, you know. No,
Wait, do that again. Do that again. Flex you again.
That's so cute.
You're pretty awesome.